guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Kiondra, also known as Key, and my channel is mostly about fashion. I do some sewing, lifestyle, a little bit of vlogging, and much more. So if you clicked on this video, hopefully by the end of this video you will want to subscribe. So today's video, I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing video, and this is going to be an unboxing video with Fabfitfun. So I am super excited. Fabfitfun did send me an email and reached out to me asking me to select a few products that I would like to share with you all that I wanted to receive in my box. So they sent over my box, and I did receive it a couple of days ago, so I am ready to go ahead and show you all what I got in my box. I'm going to be sharing with you all my honest opinion. Some of the items I did go ahead and already test out, but I do want to show you guys like what the inside of my box look like, what the products look like, and everything like that. So this is the box that I got in the mail. So it says this box just got a nice tan. Is the summer 2024 Fabfitfun box. Actually, before we get started, I'm not even sure if I told you guys what Fabfitfun is. So if you don't know what it is, Fabfitfun is a lifestyle subscription box where they send you a variety of different products, like up to 6 full-size products ranging from different areas such as home, beauty, lifestyle, skincare, and much more. And the box can value up to $350 in products. But here's the inside of the box as well, and it says Fabfitfun is a nice place where nice people get nice things at nice prices. The first product that I'm going to be sharing with you all is a fragrance. This is the fragrance here. It is called Vacation by Vacation of Miami. See if it can focus. This is a perfume. The cost is about $60. So here is what the fragrance looks like. I just think it's really cute. It said it is the scent of the world famous Vacation sunscreen company. I do want to go ahead and share with you all the notes of the fragrance as well. So it has petitgrain essence, coconut water, coconut milk, bergamot, solar musk, banana, pineapple, pool water, swimsuit lycra, and sea salt. Now I did spray this on, and the fragrance notes that really pop out to me is the coconut water, coconut milk, sea salt, and a little bit of pineapple. When I did spray, I definitely was able to feel like I was like on the beach. Like, you know, I can smell that aroma. Like, it definitely reminds me of a beachy smell. Like, you know, being in the sand and the salt water and stuff like that, it definitely gives that vibe off for sure. It doesn't smell bad. It's actually a pretty nice scent. It's not something that I would wear every day. It definitely is something that I feel like it's like something that you will wear occasionally, but it is a really nice perfume. I think it smells really good. It smells good to me. I don't know about other people. You know, everybody has their preferences as far as scent, but I think this is a really nice perfume, but I personally would wear it occasionally. The next item that I want to share with you all is I did pick out an anklet. And it came in this little cute bag, and this is by the brand Denijo. I hope that I'm saying that correctly. I have been wanting some more anklets and stuff like that, so when I did see that this was an option, I had to grab it. So here is the anklet. It is this gold anklet here. This is the detailing. You guys, don't mind my nails. They are not the best right now. And it does have like this little charm right here that has the brand logo on it. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Not really sure if y'all can see, but it does have the brand logo on it. And this typically costs $140. Yeah, this costs around $140. So I definitely will be trying to keep up with this because it should be nice quality, especially for the price and the material. So yeah, really cute. And plus I need to add more gold accessories and jewelry to my collection. I'm really more of like a silver girl. As you can see, I love silver, but I definitely would like to switch it up and start wearing gold a little bit more. The next item that I got is some cracked heel souffle. This is by the brand Ceratopical. This is a 1.62 ounce container, so it does help with dry and cracked heels, adds deep hydration. So it is a whipped shea butter, vitamin E, vitamin C, and has coriander seed oil. It's alcohol free and it has natural plant extracts. So you are supposed to, you know, massage this gently onto clean, dry skin and use as often as needed. So you can use this on cracked heels, elbows, and knees. I did use this yesterday after I got out the shower, and I ended up selecting this product when I saw it because I am on my feet a lot and for a very long time at work. So I decided to go ahead and get this and, you know, try to see and test out what this product is about. So here is what the product look like. Like I said, it's a whipped butter, so it is not going anywhere. It is a thick consistency, but I do feel like it had my feet very soft when I did apply it onto my feet. It doesn't, it does have a bit of a weird smell. Not really something that I would, you know, I don't really like the smell of it like that, but it does give off more of like a medicine type of smell. This is costing around $35.95, so basically $36 is what this typically go for. The next product that I received in my box is this Brightening Body Scrub by Essentials. It is a natural and organic skincare, and it has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. And it is a Canadian brand, I'm assuming, because it has the proudly Canadian symbol here on the packaging. So I end up testing this out in the shower yesterday because I love body scrubs. I love exfoliating, whether it's my skin, my feet, my face, like anything. When it comes to skincare, I love to exfoliate and just get rid of that dead skin and dead skin cells and all of that good stuff, and just get my skin rejuvenated. So I'll end up using this. It is a bit more on the runny side. I'm not sure if y'all can hear when I shake it up, but it is a bit more on the runny side. I do like a scrub that is more on the thicker side, like a thick pasted consistency. But this wasn't bad. It does smell really good. It did feel good on my skin. It wasn't like really harsh or anything like that. And like I said, it does have vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, so it does smell very citrusy. It does smell a lot like oranges. But it does say that it's made with apricot seeds to gently exfoliate and remove dead skins. And then it has an essential oil blend to leave your skin renewed and healthy. It also has aloe and argan oil. So yeah, and it said that you can use this 1 to 3 times a week and to apply it on wet skin, rinse thoroughly and everything. And apparently they do have a brightening body serum and body lotion, because it says that you should follow up with those products. I don't have those products, but like I said, I did try this out in the shower yesterday. Like I said, it smells really good, very citrusy. I just wish it was a little bit thicker. And this body scrub is going for about $24. So the next item that I got is another accessory. So I did get this champion hat here. And it does say it's one size fits all. It is an adult hat, and it says it is adjustable. This is the back. But yeah, I ended up getting a champion hat because I've been wanting to get more hats and stuff. I've been really into like wanting to wear like caps and stuff. But yeah, I thought this was cute. I love a nice tan neutral color. So I can't wait to go ahead and rock this hat. But yeah, I've been really into like ball caps and stuff. So yeah, I went ahead and picked this hat up. This hat is typically $25. So yeah, not really much to say on this, but yeah. The last item that I got is a pink waves towel. So I got this towel here, this Fun Boy pink waves beach towel, and it's like this cream and pink color, as you can see. And I really feel like it fits my style for sure, because I love like items that are printed like this, and I just love the style and vibe of stuff like this. And I just thought it was really cute. It's really soft, and it feels like really good quality. It doesn't feel like a rough towel or anything like this, so I was quite surprised. So yeah, it feels like really good material, because like I said, I was definitely expecting like that rough towel material, but as a beach towel, this seems and feels really nice. So yeah, and it's a decent size, and this towel typically costs about $50. So yeah, that was all of the items that I received in my Fabfitfun box. And if you do decide to get a Fabfitfun box, you are able to select your own products, up to 6 products, and all of these products are full-size products. They are not samples or anything like that. Like I said, the box is gonna value up to $350, so that's a really good deal to, you know, have all these items and it be up to a value of $350. So I went ahead and calculated and added up all of the items that I have, and it came up to a total of $334.95. I do have a couple of discount codes for you all if you are interested in getting a Fabfitfun box. So if you get the annual subscription box, which also comes with a gift when you purchase, the code is KEYSHANECEGIFT, and you get a gift when you purchase the annual subscription. Now, if you want to get the seasonal subscription box, which is if you want to get a subscription box for a certain season of the year, then you also get 20% off of your first box. And my code for that is just KEYSHANECE. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you were interested in the items that I received from Fabfitfun. I also want to say thank you to Fabfitfun for providing me with these items to share with you all and giving my honest opinion and thoughts on the products that I received. I'm very excited to have these items, and I did like the items that I did test out, of course. So I do look forward to using my items, wearing my items, styling my items, and everything like that. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe, as well as hit the bell button so that you will be notified. Like I said, this channel is all about fashion, sewing, lifestyle, and vlogging. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.